everyone. Well, having a home inspection is an important part of the home buying process as it uncovers deficiencies of a home that you may not necessarily see during a showing. So do you want to know what the most common issues are that are found in a home inspection? Well, stay tuned because we're about to find out. So today I'm joined by Glenn Miller of Your Castle Home Inspections. Glenn's been a home inspector for over 22 years, so he brings a lot of expertise on the topic. So Glenn, thanks for being here. And tell us, what are the 5 most common issues that you find during a home inspection?
Okay, well, thanks for having me on. And I'm just going to briefly talk about 5 things here. And number 1 would be your exterior grading around the house, positive slope of ground away from the foundation. And what that's going to do is, by gravity, allow the water to flow away during heavy rains and snowmelt, and in turn will help keep your basement walls drier and the foundation walls. And number 2 is downspout extensions, which really follows the same thing about getting the water away from the foundation in the house. Okay, number 3 is exterior decks. Loose railings and loose steps are found a lot of times, and also improper construction of a deck and the post and support beams, as well as the attachment of the deck to the house. So these items are also safety related for falling, possible falling or tripping, and then you can have water infiltration that'll get behind that attachment to the house if it's not correctly done. And then that can lead to rotted wood in your door frames and other areas. Number 4 would be the windows. They do age over time like everything else. They do have a life expectancy. Some windows can be binding, difficult to operate, or they can drop when they open, and that can be a safety hazard. And number 5 would be your GFI outlets, which are the push button outlets that you may see in your kitchen counters and your bathrooms. It's important to have these type of outlets anywhere near a water source. And these outlets, the purpose is simply to protect us from a possible shock or electrical charge to ourselves, because this is near water source.
So as you can see, these are just some of the numerous issues that can be found during a home inspection. So it's really important to have an inspection if you're buying a house. So if you have any questions about a home inspection, or you would like to schedule a home inspection, please reach out to me or Glenn. Our contact information is on the screen. And be sure to tune in next time, because Glenn's going to join us again, and we're going to talk about the 5 most costly items that are found during a home inspection, and you will be shocked. So as always, we appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you the next time. Take care.
Thanks.